In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to allow members of a WhatsApp group to be able to add other participants to the group. So to do this, just go and launch WhatsApp and then go to the group that you want to do this on, and then tap on the group name at the top there to open the group info page. Now, keep in mind that you can only do this if you're a group admin. So since I'm the admin of this group, I'll be able to see group settings. This is an option only group admins can see. So go to group settings, and then you should see the option to add other participants. So this is participants can add other participants. It's normally off by default, so you want to turn that on. So once you do that, other members of the group who are not necessarily group admins will now be able to go to their phones, go to the group, and from the group, if they look at the group info, they should have an option to add participants, and they can add their own friends from their own contacts list to join the group. And that's basically how to add or how to allow group members to add participants to a WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.